Cracking your knuckles causes arthritis. It makes sense when you think of it. Constantly cracking the bones in your fingers would negatively affect them over time. But the popping sound isn't bone grinding. It's gas bubbles collapsing inside your joint fluid. When you stretch your fingers, the pressure in the joint drops, forming bubbles in the synovial fluid. They collapse milliseconds later with that sharp pop. Studies tracking chronic knuckle crackers for decades found zero increase in arthritis. The worst you get is mild swelling or a weaker grip if you overdo it. The myth started because people equated loud joint noise with damage. In truth, cracking your knuckles is just joint hydraulics doing its thing. If it hurts or swells, that's a real issue.